Hi, humans. I wanted to let you know about an event that's going to be held at the Haystack Bar and Grill. This is for a cause that's dear to my heart. You see, there's a lot of my fellow canines that are homeless and they need help finding a home. That's why the good folks over at the Haystack and Dog Second Chance are putting on a fundraiser on July 24th. Please come on out to the Haystack and show your support. And if you can't make it, drop by the Haystack and make a donation and tell them I sent you. Come on out to the Haystack and help my pals find a home. Hope to see you there.